Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Laxi Digamon, 39 years old, single mother. I have 10-year-old daughter. I am the third among the five siblings. I have four sisters. My mother is a retired public school teacher and my father is a farmer. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Information Management. This is my first time applying abroad, but I have experience as nanny housemaid here in the Philippines. My first employment was I served one couple and one 5 months old baby boy. My job duties are taking care of the baby, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, and marketing. My second employment was I served two female siblings and one 5 years old toddler. My job duties are taking care of the child, doing basic tutoring, and cooking together with the other housemaid. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your housemate, I promise to treat you and your family as my own. I'll follow all the instructions and rules of the household. I am obedient, trustworthy, and dependable. Ma'am and sir, I am looking forward to see you and to be part of your household